Hello friends, welcome to Mr. Instruction Pointer YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about steganography and I will also show you some practical in this video. But before we begin, I would like to request you to subscribe to this channel because it gives me motivation to keep making such informative videos for you. So let's get started. So what is steganography? Steganography is the technique of hiding secret data within an ordinary non-secret file or message in order to avoid detection. In this method, only the intended recipient knows the presence of a hidden message in the carrier file. No other person will ever get to know that there is some hidden message embedded in the carrier file. So basically what is steganography? In steganography we hide or embed our message in another file, so and we send it to the recipient person. So if any other person other than the recipient person sees that file, he will think that it is an ordinary file and there is nothing suspicious about it. So this is how steganography works. The carrier file can be an image file, an audio file, a video file, or a text file. And there are some tools, steganography tools we can use. Steganography, it is for Windows. Stealth files, this tool also runs on Windows. And stag height, this tool runs on Kali Linux. So in this video I will show you practical demonstration of steganography tool. So let's begin. So this is an image and I will hide a text file within this image file. So first of all, let me open this file in Paint, and now save as bmp dot extension. Since this steganography tool works on only .bmp file extension .bmp extension files, so we will save this file as a .bmp file. So I will name it secret message and I will save this file on my desktop. So now as you can see, this is the image file within which I am going to embed my secret message. Now let me create my secret message file. It is a txt text file, hidden, let me name it hidden message, and my message will be, this is a secret message. So now let me save it and close it. Now what I will do is I will click on add files, load target file, and my target file will be this .bmp extension image file. Let me open this. Now click on next. Now add the file which you want to embed within this image file, and my secret text message file is this. And now let's click next. Now I have to, you can choose any of these encryption algorithms. I will choose this RC2, and now I will have to choose a password. So let me choose a password. Okay, now just click on next. Now another file will be created. Now I will save that file on my desktop and I will name it new file. Okay, now click save. As you can see, this is the new file .bmp, and if you open both these files, so this is the original file and this is the new file, then you will see that there is no difference between these two files. Both the files are the same exactly. So nobody will ever get to know that there is a secret file hidden within this image file. So let me delete the original image file. Okay, now if I want to extract the secret message from this image file, I will click on this extract file and click on load file source, and this is the image new file. Click open, click next and enter your password and click extract file. Now choose the location where you want to save this file. So I want to save this file on the desktop. Now I will name it my secret message.txt. Okay, or you can leave it as it is. File is extracted successfully. So as you can see, this is the file. Let me click, and this is the secret message. So this is how you can hide a text file within an image file using this Xiao Steganography tool. Now let me show you another Steganography method. So in this method I am going to hide this steganography.pptx file within this image file which you are seeing here. So I'm going to hide this ppt file within this image file. So how am I going to achieve this? So for this purpose I will right click on this PowerPoint presentation file, and I will click on add to archive and click OK. So now as you can see, this is the file which I am going to hide, which I am going to embed within this image file. Now you can delete the original file or you can leave it. Now what I am going to do is I will open command prompt and I will first go to this location. Now the command I am going to use is this. I will type copy, then /b, then I will type the name of this rar file, which is steganography.rar, then plus sign, and then you have to enter the name of the carrier file within which you are going to embed this rar file. So this the file name is visible.jpg. Now all you have to do is just press enter. As you can see, one file copied. Now as you can see, if you I think I have made some mistake. Okay, so as you can see, I was making this mistake. Instead of first typing the name of the carrier file, I was typing the name of the file to be embedded. So first of all, you have to type copy, then /b, then you have to enter the name of the carrier file within which you are going to embed the secret message, and then you have to enter plus sign, then you have to name of the that rar file which you have created, and space, and then you have to enter the name of the new file which will be created. So in this case, as you can see, this is the original file and this is the new file. As you can see, this is 196 KB file, and this new file created is 1988 KB file. So if you open this file, this is the same as the original file. Nobody will ever get to know that there is some file hidden within this image file. And if you want to extract the embedded file, all you have to do is right click on this file and open it with WinRAR, and this and you can see this is the embedded ppt file. So this is how you can use the steganography technique and learn about it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. See you in the next video.